Hi kids, hi parents, Madam Shaya from EduReach. Today we're attempting a P5 question. This is numbers and fractions, and it may look a bit complicated, but it's actually quite simple. So we are going to use model for this, okay? So what do we know? Okay, let's remember, it's always a story. So there's 855 red and blue pens. Now half of the red pen is equal to 1/3 of the blue pens. Wow, how many red pens are there? So it doesn't really matter what they ask you. Let's now try to visualize this as a model first. So we have, okay, let's say we have this. This is the red pen. So it's half, right? So we actually made it into half. So what we know is half of the red pen. So let's say now we see this is red, and we know there's a blue. Look at that. So there's red, there's a blue. Now we also know that half of the red, which is this, is equivalent to 1/3 of the blue. That means how many is more, red or blue? Think carefully. So this is half of the red, but it's actually equivalent to 1/3 of the blue, which means this is half, there's 2, but for the blue there's 3. Because let's now read back the question, okay? Read it back to make sure we are the same, where we are on the same wavelength as the question. So there's 155 red and blue pens, okay, total. Half of the red pen, half is equal to 1/3. So we are correct because this is half and half. You see, look at this. This is half and half becomes together, and this is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 become one whole. So we know that all of this is equal to 855 pens. So now, can we find out how many red and how many blue there are? We can, because we know that these 5 units equal to 855. So what do we need to do? So 855 divided by 5 is equals to 1 unit, which is equal to 171. So red pens is equals to 171 times 2. Yay! So there is 342 red pens. Sometimes the question will ask you how many blue pens there are, or they won't ask you what's the difference between red and blue pens. It's very easy, right? So if the question asks for difference, it's only 1 unit, you've got it, 171. If the question asks you how many blue pens, then it's 171 times 3. So it just depends on what the question asks, so we can be sure to be able to answer. So this is a graphical interpretation of the question. Yeah? Again, if you have any question you'd like to ask us, put on the comment or email us at info@edureachsd.com. You can also PM us on Facebook and Instagram. Okay? So have fun, kids. Math is fun.